الحمد لله الحمد لله all praises to Allah all praises to Allah الحمد لله الحمد لله all praises to Allah all praises to Allah.
Hello, dear friends, and welcome to another episode of the English 101 UK with Idris Mirzi. In this lesson, we are having the personal pronouns or the subject pronouns. Hoping you will enjoy this lesson. So, let's get started now. Okay, personal pronouns are the doers, as they are the one that start the actions or the one that do the actions. In order to make correct sentences, you have to know exactly how to deal with them, as they refer to the subject of the verbs, whether it is a first person, second person, or a third person, singular, plural, masculine, or a feminine. And here they are as following: I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. I is a first person, the person who is speaking. It can be only a singular, but a masculine or a feminine. You is a second person, the person who is spoken to, and it can be whether a singular or a plural, a masculine or a feminine. He is a third person, the person who is spoken about, and it can be only a singular masculine. She is a third person, the person who is spoken about, and it can be only a singular feminine. It is a third person, the person who is spoken about, and it can be only a singular, a masculine, or a feminine. We is a first person, the person who is speaking, and it can be only a plural, masculine or feminine, or it can be both. They is a third person, the person who is spoken about, and it can be only a plural, masculine, or it can be even both. Alright, let's go over them again, but this time with some examples. And the first one here to come is I am a student. I am very happy. You are students. You are watching this video. He is smart. He is an athlete. She is a pretty girl. She is intelligent. It is a big house. It is beautiful. We are good people. We are very excited. They are learning English. They speak more than one language. Well, thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you think that this lesson is useful, please give the thumb up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. And leave your comments to let me know that you are watching. Until the next lesson, enjoy your time. Bye.
All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah. All praises to Allah, all praises to Allah.